Hello and welcome. I have been wanting to try using nail polish in my molds with resin for a while now, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to experiment with that today. I do have several nail polish colors, some reds, pinks, blues, and I'm going to use that nail polish in the molds, and they are UV nail polish, so I have my UV flashlight and I will use that. Once I put the nail polish on, I will cure it with that UV light, and then I will backfill it with resin. Again, I've never tried this, might not work out, but here's to experimentation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll just pick a random color. This is a blue, and all I'm going to do is just use the nail polish brush and paint the mold. The good thing about this is you have a little more control because the brush size, and it's not mica, so you don't have the powder flying everywhere, which is very nice. So maybe we'll get lucky and it will actually work. Alright, I'm just going to pick a different blue. Alright, before I get too ahead of myself, I don't want to go and paint all of this only to find out it's not going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and put my UV light on the ones I've just done. I just wanted to make sure it doesn't cause any shrinkage, and it is on this one. I can see shrinkage right there. I'm going to go back with some more. And there's a little up here as well. It's not as bad as I thought it could be. And actually doing that second coat is bringing out more of the color, the actual color of the polish. Alright, next color. As opposed to boring you all watching me do this entire mold, I'm going to just clip out what I've done with the additional colors and get to the part where I actually backfill the mold with resin. But just to be clear, all I'm doing is alternating colors of the UV nail polish and painting those into the mold. After I do the UV light, I'm going back and topping off any area that looked like it had little spots that were bare. This took me well over an hour to paint, and I know that you do not want to watch all of that, so I will save you. Okay, I'm finished with putting the polish on this mold. I had pulled out all of these molds thinking I would also do them, but I'll be honest, this took so much longer than I thought it would. It probably took me about an hour to paint this. You won't see that because I'll edit and it'll probably look like it took 30 seconds, but this did take me about an hour to paint. I found that if I painted and did my UV quickly and did multiple layers, I was able to get more of a true color that matched what it should be. I don't know if this is something I would do regularly. Actually, I know for sure it isn't, just because of the amount of time that it takes. But if there's a specific color, I'm presuming all of this is going to work out in the end. Let's live in that happy land. If there's a particular color of nail polish that I can't find in another form of colorant, sure, I would use it. But I am curious to see how this looks when it's all done. I used a bunch of different colors on purpose just to see if any popped more. I used some that were heavy with glitter. I used some that had no glitter. And then I used some darker and lighter colors. I just wanted to see what kind of effect it would give. So I'm going to mix up a little bit of resin, just regular resin. I'm not using UV resin, to backfill this. So I will do that and be right back. And I know that I used my UV light the whole time while I was putting the polish on, but I am going to also put it under the light for a little bit, just to make sure it's fully cured. And I am going to flip it over and run the UV light again. Alright, also I mixed up about 1.5 ounces of resin, and I'm going to use this vivid blue pigment just so that it will make the colors pop. Could also use black. I would have used that, I couldn't find it. Alright, now I'm just going to pour that into the mold until it's full. And I'm going to spritz it with some isopropyl alcohol. And now I will just leave this to cure, and I'll be back once it's ready to demold. Okay, this is now cured, so I'm going to demold and see what we have. Okay, are you ready? The good thing here is there's none of the nail polish on the mold, so off to a good start so far. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, that turned out cool. And all of the colors picked up. This lighter color really didn't do much, and neither did this one. But this red is awesome. That was very difficult to put in there though. But the blues turned out really well. So all in all, I would say it's successful, except for the fact that it took so long to actually paint the mold with the nail polish. But again, if there is a color of nail polish that you really like that you can't find in a mica or a pigment, this is now an option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.